Happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Another video about Rakuten. As you can see here, everything is online now. If you want to shop, get whatever you want, online mall by Rakuten. Give 30, get 30. For each friend that you join, you both get $30. It's no brainer. Who want $30 like this? All you do is shop and get $30. Make $30 by you telling others. Here is my activity right here. I am an influencer with Rakuten. Rakuten is an online shopping mall. On this day, 08/13/2025, brought to you by Rakuten. It's an online mall and an app. Wherever you shopping at, Nike, Costco, Adidas, shopping mall, Kohl, Best Buy, Home Depot, Lowe's, shop there and you get a check. You get a check by you shopping here. It's no brainer. That's why I'm pushing Rakuten today. If y'all want to save on travel, join Rakuten and book your trip today. If you want to save on your hotel trip, join Rakuten today and book your hotel stay with Rakuten. It will cut your price in half. No joke, but real 50% off on what you paying in other travel site like Travago, what else? All those travel app that we know about that you can't save a whole lot. You pay straight up their fees. You pay their fees about other app, but Rakuten is better than them apps. You'll save 40%, 50%, 60%. It doesn't matter. All you do is book a trip. Book your stay, go shopping for your trip, and make $30. This is my link right here for Rakuten. Right here, this is my link. It's no brainer, y'all. That's why I'm pushing Rakuten today. Keep looking. If you don't want to save on your trip, that is not my problem. That's your problem. I am bringing you Rakuten. You can join for free. It don't cost you nothing until you start shopping. That's how Rakuten works. Start shopping and make money. That easy. Who don't want to make no extra money for their trip? I do. Unlimited $30 for everybody. Unlimited $30. Join Rakuten today and start making unlimited $30 for your family. You can use this $30 to go travel for your travel trips. Yes, indeed. Again, that's why I'm pushing Rakuten. Rakuten is a worldwide app that you can use to buy your favorite items on your favorite store today. We all know about Nike. We all know about Lowe's, Home Depot, all your shopping mall, Adidas, Pumas, AAA. You can shop here and you make money. Yes, indeed. When you see my link out there, or you can copy this link or put this link in your web browser and join me with this Rakuten right here. That's why I'm making another content video about Rakuten. I believe in Rakuten. I'm making money with Rakuten. As you can see here, lifetime $60. Somebody else don't join me. Somebody else don't join me. All right, come back with you again with another video. Thanks.